Hi, my name is Zach Cresswell. I'm a teacher here at Mount Pleasant High School, and I just want to talk a little bit today about word problems and about their importance and how to hopefully be successful in them throughout the year and throughout the rest of your mathematical career. So I've been teaching here for this is my fifth year. I've taught pre-calculus, AP calculus, and algebra 2 for the last 4 years, but I started off teaching geometry and algebra 1. So I've taught almost everything in the math curriculum. And so I've dealt with a lot of different kinds of word problems. And so, first of all, why do we even deal with word problems? Why do we put you through this terrible, terrible experience? At least that's what students seem to think it is. And the reason is that these are the problems that um, do a number of things. First of all, they're applicable to the real world. Now, they may not be applicable to your real world, right? So you may never be an engineer, and we understand that. But they're to give you a window into applications of mathematics. Um, the They're problems that make you think. They make you think critically, and that's what we want our students to be ultimately is critical thinkers. And the question is, how do you get better at thinking critically? Well, you do it more. The more that you think critically, the more that you put your brain through kind of good stress, and by that I mean where you have to think hard about something, the better you're going to get at it. All right, and that's just a fact. And so that's why we do that is so that you have a chance to get better at thinking, at being more logical, at better at reasoning. And those are the reasons. A couple of things of advice to help you be successful. The first thing is you want to follow the address problem solving method. I think is a great method that your teacher will show you. I think that's a good start. The second thing is try to break them down into small parts. Okay, so try to identify things that you know, things that you're trying to find out. Draw pictures if you can. Okay, so if you can break the problem down into smaller pieces that you understand, they're easier to answer. And one of the last things I have for you is just practice. Is not avoiding them. You will get better at them, and it's one of those things like learning anything. It's gonna take you a while to maybe get good at them, but the more you practice, it'll become exponential. You get much better at them. So try and avoid the just skipping them because there's words in them. Try and engage them and engage with them, and you'll certainly get better at it over time, and especially over the course of your mathematical career. It will also help you get better at higher mathematics. So you're gonna have to go through algebra 2. Just working with word problems will help you prepare for the more difficult non-word problems in geometry, algebra 2, pre-calculus, and if you continue to go on. So that's why I think you should try and engage with word problems as much as possible, and I think you'll find some success in it.